Welcome to my channel. Start. Kolkata. The Calcutta High Court on Friday directed the Kolkata Police Commissioner to set up a task force to assist the KMC with the demolition of unauthorized buildings in the city. A division bench of Chief Justice T.S. Sivagnanam and Justice Hiranmay Bhattacharya passed the order after pursuing the KMC report submitted to the court on the status of 10 unauthorized buildings in the city, in which the KMC conducted the work partly or fully while carrying out the demolition work. The KMC Council prayed for a specific direction from the court on police assistance while narrating his experience on the demolition work. Most of these buildings are occupied by residents. We seek the assistance of the police to vacate the buildings before commencing the demolition work. The police accompany us, but they simply stand. The KMC Council submitted. The division bench passed the directive for setting up a task force for the purpose of vacating the unauthorized buildings. The division bench took note of the fact that all the 10 properties referred to by the petitioner were totally unauthorized, had no building sanction plan, and most of them were fully occupied. The bench also noted that the residents of the said buildings were illegal occupants and had no papers to support their occupancy. The counsel for the petitioner submitted that even after the KMC demolition squad had pulled down portions of the unauthorized buildings, the occupants reconstructed the portions despite the court order. The KMC Council also pointed to another roadblock in carrying out the High Court order. In the event of the High Court's order, a section of occupants moved the civil court, showing the KMC as a pro forma party. They obtain a stay from the civil court that comes in the way of the demolition work. The KMC Council submitted. The division bench debarred civil courts from entertaining suits on the 10 buildings in question when the division bench was in season of the matter. The Chief Justice also directed the KMC to bring to the notice of the bench any order passed by civil courts on the matter in the meantime. The Chief Justice also set some broad guidelines on how the police and the KMC should go about the demolition work. The occupants shall be given a notice to vacate the premises by June 15. The police task force shall use reasonable force to vacate the premises if the occupants fail to move out. The demolition work shall start thereafter. The police shall file criminal cases against those who refuse to vacate the premises, the Chief Justice said. The court also directed the task force to provide security to the KMC officers on duty in the demolition work. The division bench fixed the next hearing of the matter on July 5. Stop.